Hi, hello, what's poppin', Jimbo? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate this cut crease halo eye. And we're going to be using the Morphe 39A palette from the Dare to Create collection. For transition today, I'm using the shade Canvas. Now I'm dipping into the shade Create. And first, I'm putting it on the outside corner of my eye. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing, bossed up and I changed the game. It's my big bronze boogie got all them. I'm just putting it in the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm just making sure it's blended outside my eyelid. I know you can't see it, but I'm using the Maybelline Cover Stick for concealer and this flat angled brush. So I'm just putting that on my brush and I'm going to start cutting my crease. And it's kind of hard to explain, but you just fill in your whole eyelid up to where your crease is with the concealer. I am in no way a professional because this is literally like my third time trying a cut crease. Dollar bills and I'll be popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like hey. Flexing on the gram like hey. Hit the Lil Jon, okay. Now I'm popping on the color Trendy onto the concealer in the inner corner of my eye, and I'm trying not to blend it at all. And now, of course, the outer corner. And now I'm popping on this metallic called Artistic into the center of my eyelid. And now I'm just using side sweep motions and not blending it up at all, but only sideways. Now I'm just wiping off all the fallout. Now I'm just using that same transition shade and putting it underneath my eye. Okay. Oh yeah, we dripping the finesse and getting paid. Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why. Now I'm using So Glam and just giving my inner corner a little pop of color moment as kind of a highlighter thing. And then that's it. That's the end of the look. I'm going to pop on some mascara and highlighter, and there you go. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my first attempt at a voiceover and my third attempt at a cut crease. I know it's not like that great, but you know, it's cute. It's cute. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already to become an official Tater Tot. And turn on my post notifications. I love you, Tater Tots. Bye.